Let's just keep bringing the troops back. Bringing them back. Oh! I smothered, checkmated myself. It's chess against Martin, but I only have 4 knights and I have to somehow win the game. So we're going to see how this works and good luck, Martin. All right, well, I'm going to just go here and try to kind of keep my knights together and maybe just sort of slowly move them forward. And let's use the king to help. Okay. And at some point, let's make a wall of knights here. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. Look at these knights. Ooh. So I could go for a check, but I really don't want to sacrifice a knight this early. I think I need to wait till he blunders some pieces. So maybe I'll just sort of wait a little bit. Okay. I can go check. Yeah, it looks safe enough. Ooh, the king's coming out. I wish I could defend that knight. Unfortunately, I can't. Unless I'm willing to sacrifice a knight, which I'm not. I'm not willing to do that. Let's go back here. Okay. I feel like we need to bring this guy over. Ooh, what is he doing? Let's see. Let's go check. Oh, but I can't follow it up. Hold on, hold on. I want to try to take away that square if possible. So I'd like to move a knight there. Let's actually maneuver this guy around. Okay, let's do this. And ooh, let's take away the retreat square. It's so close. Oh, man. All right. This pawn is a problem, though. Oh, but if I go check, he takes my... Sorry. He takes my knight. I can't do that. Okay. Well, let's just go here. Maybe we'll loop around to F5. All right. He's just escaping. There's no way to deliver checkmate because that's square. Maybe he'll, like, move his knight out. That'd be so funny. I'm going to give him a chance to do that. Go ahead, Martin. Just play knight. No, he's not going to do it. He's not going to... Let's just give him another chance. Okay, he's moving his knights. I'm going to bring my king over here. Oh! My friend! Thank you. So, okay, we've got this. We've got this. We've got this. This guy's defended. All we have to do... Okay, checkmate, Martin. Let's actually go to the next bot and see if we can... how many bots we can beat with just 4 knights. All right, here we go. Next bot is Wayne. Let's see if Wayne's going to do something different. Ooh, Wayne is activating the rook. I don't like that. And pushing pawns. Wayne. All right, well, let's just keep moving him around. Okay, we'll hop in over here. Let's go here. Let's go... Ooh, should I... Maybe it's too early. Let's just defend. Actually, no. I think he could fork me, but I don't think Wayne's going to see that. He might see it. Let's just take it slow. Let's take it slow. Now I'll go there. Okay, we can win a queen, but at what cost? Is it worth it? Because only having 3 knights... but winning the queen is really tempting. I think I'm going to do it. Oh, he takes that one. Okay, so we can actually take a bishop too, but then my knight is stuck back there temporarily. We could use the king. Let's use the king. Yeah. Let's go get this pawn. Let's take it. Okay, let's go here. Uh-oh, I don't want to lose this knight. I really don't want to lose this knight. Okay, let's think about this. Where's the safest place? Here or here? Let's try here. Oh, he's hunting my knights. Wayne! That knight is gone. I'm going to lose this challenge. All right, let's just take a pawn. Ooh, he didn't take it. All right. Maybe there's hope for me yet. Let's go check and hope he doesn't take it. He didn't. Let's go here. So we can take the rook, but then... Man, if he takes that, I'm just in trouble. Okay, he's giving me some hope. Wayne is giving me a little bit of hope here. Now I can at least go here and get the rook for it. Oh, he didn't take it. Fantastic. Let's go here. Well, if he's not going to take my knight, I may as well just grab the rook. Grab the knight? Okay. Finally took it. So we still have 2 knights, which normally is not enough, but It might be against Wayne here. Let's bring the king up. Okay, we've got him sort of trapped. Let's bring this knight over. Okay, let's bring it in. Is that checkmate? Wait, where's the mate? Here, here. Hold on. Oh, 1, 2, 3. There it is. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Good game, Wayne. Let's go to the next bot. All right, next up, Fabian, 250 as well. So we're still on the 250 bots. So I think we can do it against the 250 ones, but let's just make sure. Bring the knight up. Bring the knight in. Okay, I guess I'll go back. Wow, he's playing pretty solid right now. He's playing actually very solid. Okay, we can... I don't want to get forked. Let me just save it. Ooh. Let's attack the queen. Okay, let's take this. And let's go here. Avoid the fork. Let's see. Let's bring the king up. Let's go here. Okay, let's... I don't know what I'm doing, but it looks cool. Let's put all my pieces on light squares. How about that? All right, what are we going to do now? I need him to make a big blunder. No, that's not a big blunder. I need him to make a big blunder. That's sort of a big blunder. Let's attack the rook. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Let's save my knight. Can I get away with taking this pawn? I think so. This one? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's going for an attack. Let's go. Ooh, this is not looking great. This is not looking great for me anymore. Okay, let's get these. I need more of these knights to come back. I need these knights to come back and defend. Come on. Come on. Okay. What's happening? That's defended. Let's just keep bringing the troops back. Bringing them back. Oh! I smothered, checkmated myself. Oh, wow. And he saw it instantly. What a sad way for the video to end. No, I'm going to try one more time, and then I'll end it after I beat him, but I think we can win. Come on, Fabian. Let's go. Let's go. Now I'm upset. That was nasty. He likes to bring out his queen. Brings it out, brings it back. All right, let's just go here. Bringing up the king again, huh, buddy? I'm going to take that pawn. And I'm going to go back. And look at this guy's solid position. Like, what am I supposed to do against that? He's playing a stonewall setup. There's like, you can't deal with that. Ah, how about my 4-knight cube? How about that? Look at this guy. He's, oh, man, he's relentless. Uh-oh. Here comes the queen. Let's shift over here. Shift over here. I like these different setups that I have going on. All right, let's defend the king. Yeah, we need to defend and maybe attack that queen somehow. Let's attack it and see if he notices. Okay. I do lose a knight, but at least it gets rid of the queen. Uh-oh. Never mind. I don't lose a knight. All right. So he blundered. He blundered. Now, if I can not hang him another mate, we should be good. Let's see. What do I do? I need him to give away some pieces. There was a fork, but he didn't want it. He didn't want the fork. He wants my knight, though. Nope, you can't have that. Okay, let's go here. Uh-oh. Dude is all over me. He's all over me here. Let's bring my king over. Eesh. Yikes. I'm kind of boxed in. This guy's got a solid setup here. I don't know what to do. Actually don't know what to do. All of my moves are pretty much bad. I'm just gonna move back and forth until he does something, because I really don't. Are we gonna get a draw? Let me go. Let me go for it. Go for it. Be offensive. There's a fork if he wants it. He didn't want it. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm stuck here. All right, let's try to relocate. Oh boy. Let's relocate the knights. Man, look at this guy. There's a fork if he wants it. He doesn't want it. I can't even take that. Oh, I can take this one. This one, okay. Whew. There was one. Oh, there we go. There we go. Finally, we're breaking through a little bit here. Okay, let's go back. Yes. Ooh, I really don't want him to take that. Eesh. Okay, let's bring this one up. There's a fork. I like that. I don't really want to give up a knight, but I'll do it. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see. Here. Take that guy. Okay, my knight's temporarily trapped, but it's okay. What do I do? Let's move this one. Okay, let's escape while we can. Uh-oh. Gotta be careful here. I don't want to walk into another checkmate. Let's... Eee, where do I go to? I guess I have to go here, don't I? I don't have... Is that the only move I have? Oh my. That's scary. Okay, let's... What do I do? What do I do? Let's go... Yeah, we'll go for a check. Why not? There's a fork. Thank you. Okay. Still need to figure out how to checkmate. Which is not easy with all of these pieces. Let's go here and here. And I wanted to take this, but it's defended. I just noticed that. All right. Okay, let's bring the king. Maybe we'll bring the king up. Yeah, let's do that. Come over here. Oh, I can just take the bishop. Just take the bishop. That's the easy way. All right, I think we've got this one. Okay, let's bring the king forward. Yes, here we go. Nah, I won't actually take that. I'll just go check. And I'll just go here. All right, let's checkmate him before he gets the queen. Let's checkmate him before he gets the queen. Wait a second. Is he going to escape here? Hold on. Let's stop that. Look at the 4 knights. Boom. Such a beautiful checkmate. You got to like that. All right, let's keep going. Let's just keep going. We did have a little bit of trouble, but let's just keep going. Okay, we are on to Juan, who is a 400 rated bot. So you guys know 400s have some tricks up their sleeves. So we're going to see what's going on here with Juan. He's already playing better. So this is going to be much more challenging, I believe. Look at this setup. He's got a solid setup there. I don't know where he's been learning these tricks from. Oop. Okay, but 400 still hang their queens, so that's one thing. All right, let's go here, try to pick off this pawn. There we go, and then we'll just get out of dodge and... I don't know. Let's go here. I can't take that. It's defended. Let's just play patiently. Wait for the mistakes to happen. Man, all right. Like, as soon as I get a bot who's, like, understands how to just push pawns and get queens, I'm going to lose. But right now, they haven't figured that out. So we're going to just... Hopefully he doesn't take that. Perfect. Hopefully... No, it's too risky. It's too risky to take that. Let's just go here. Okay, we can do this. Okay, he didn't see it, which is great. Oh, I didn't actually want to do that, but okay, it's fine. It's fine. Let's go here. Uh-oh. This is not looking good, folks. Not looking good. Let's attack the bishop. Oh, yes. Thank you, Juan. I needed that. I needed that. No, no, no. Let's go over here. Okay, what's he doing? What's he doing? He's gonna go get a queen. He's gonna go get a queen. Oh, Juan, why did you do that? Okay, I spoke too soon. I guess he is capable of doing that. Great. Now we have a queen to deal with. Great. It's really great. Why is he just leaving this knight sit there the whole time? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. And I'm not happy with what's happening here. Let's go here. Uh-oh. 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 Wait, if I go here... Okay, it's not checkmate. Brave knights are defending the king. All right, let's think about this. Let's think about this. I might have to take a chance here. Not yet. Okay, do you want to draw one? No, I don't want to draw. I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to make you work for this win. Okay, well, we got to draw. I mean, about 400, I guess, is where this challenge starts to get pretty hard. I still think we could probably win, but that seems pretty good for a video. Nice challenge idea. As always, let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.